What is this magic? I need that magic.
Everywhere you go,
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Zface and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got that beautiful look you saw out there. I know you clicked on this video because you saw that look. Yes, I am going to give you guys the full gist on how to get those eyes, the lips, you know. So I already went ahead to do my face and my brows. So I went ahead into my NYX concealer in 0.67. I'm just going to prime my eyelids, and I'm using my eyeshadow blending brush to just blend all of that into my eyes.
Murder, I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you're one murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down.
Then after that, I'm going into my powder from Zikel. I'm very sorry I didn't show you guys, but I'm going to leave everything I used in the description box, and I'm just going ahead to just pack that onto the beginning of my brows, like the under part of my brows, if you guys understand what I mean. Then I'm going to go ahead and move that towards my crease.
You already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, You want murder me, You want murder me.
So after blending all of that, I'm going to go into this dark brown shade from my Zikel palette, and I'm just going to pack that onto the contour area of my eyes, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend all the two colors that I have together. So guys, this video is quite self-explanatory. I didn't really want a very harsh eye look, so I just make sure that I blended everything that I had well. Then moving on to my main color area, like where I'm going to have that yellow bronze look. So I'm just going to go into this flat concealer brush. I didn't want anything too sharp or any kind of really defined crease. I just wanted something, you know, just beautiful and not too defined, if you guys understand what I mean. So I'm just going ahead to just make that part. So after that, I'm going ahead into this yellow pigment from my Kylie palette, and I'm just going to go ahead into this flat brush and press that onto my eyes. Guys, if you're using a matte, because this yellow I'm using is actually matte, it's not a shimmery color. If you're using a matte color on your eyes, you want to make sure you pat the color into your eye very well, because if you don't do that, the color is just going to keep on falling off. So you just need to really press it well onto your eye, so it's really sticky. So after doing all of that, I'm going to go ahead and blend all those three colors that I have together, just to make sure everything looks very smooth. So now that everything looks very smooth and nice, I'll go into this yellow bronzer, and I'm just going to pack that onto my inner tear duct. So beneath my waterline, I'm going to use this deep red color from the same Kylie palette that the yellow pigment came from. I'm going to show you guys the palette maybe at the end of this video, or I'm just going to leave a picture on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Then I'll go into my Glitz Glam palette, and I'll use this pink glittery pigment, and I'm just going to put that onto the middle part of my waterline. So after all of that, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face with my Kiss Beauty mattifying spray. Then go ahead to prep my eyes for lashes. I'm using my mascara, my 7 Girl mascara, to just prep my lashes. And then for my lashes, I'm going to be using my Mink hair lashes, and I'm just going to apply that real quickly.
Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then, and we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist. You a murder, 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 me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me.
So guys, for blush, I'm going into this random orange color of matte eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pack that onto my cheeks. Then for highlighter, guys, I was just feeling like, you know, just make everything yellow. Okay, your eyes are yellow. What if your bronzer too is yellow? So I went into my Kiss Beauty bronzer, the same one I placed on my inner tear duct, to just go ahead and highlight all the areas that I normally highlight: my cheeks, my cupid bow, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and the underpart of my brows. So I just went right ahead to start blending the bronzer that I had, you know, just make everything look soft. Then I was kind of feeling the look here. Oh yeah. Then to make the look even more dramatic, I went ahead to place some bottom lashes. And for my lips, I used this Kylie lipstick in this very dark ox blood shade to just, I placed that all over my lips, guys. Then I went into this Focallure pink lippy, and I just placed that onto the middle part of my lips. Then I blended those two colors together, and I think I went into my Iman gloss. Yes, I went into my Iman gloss as well, and I'm just going to place that onto my lips. Blend everything together. So I went into my NYX concealer to just tone down the pink color that was on my lips. I felt like it was too hot. Okay, and you guys know I always use my illuminating spray to spray my shoulder. Okay, and I'm just going ahead to my bronzer again. This was for the purpose of Instagram, you know, to take good pictures and stuff like that. And I went ahead to put that onto my hand as well, guys. I don't even know where I got this idea from, but that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up, me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay.